Hi y'all. Today we're going to make it super easy cat eye decor. That little pig sign came from Dollar General. I'm sorry about my throat. I got it for 50% off, so it was only $1. The fabric came from Dollar Tree. The giant eyes, you get a set of 2 at Dollar Tree. This is so easy, y'all. So quick. And, cheap if you have a frame that can fit. Now, these were a little bit too big for my frame, so I'm just cutting them down so they'll fit nicely inside. Now we're going to take the fabric and I'm going to cut it down, just kind of getting it set up, and then I'm going to cut it down. Sounds like I'm losing my voice. And then we're just going to take a pencil and go around the crease, like the inside of the frame, to mark where we need to cut. This is just the easiest way for me. You can do this however you wish. I am not painting the frame. This is why it makes it so easy, because the black I thought was perfect. The hanger was perfect. So see how I'm just going to outline that right there, pushing it into that crease so I can know exactly where I need to cut. Like I said, this was just easier way for me. And now we're just going to cut it out. I thought that fabric was so pretty. Now we're going to use some disappearing purple glue stick and go over that real quick. Then lay down our fabric. And I use one of my little mini rollers to really make sure it's nice and flat and no wrinkles or anything like that. Sorry about my voice, y'all. So we're going to lay this down. See, there we go. Just making sure I don't see any of the white. Now, since we had 2 giant eyes, I had 2 of the frames, so I made a set. But I didn't think you guys needed to see both. It's the same thing, just, yeah. See, just taking the roller and rolling that real good. And then we're going to Mod Podge it. Excuse me. So we're just going to Mod Podge our fabric. And then you'll wait until that dries, or I use my blow dryer to dry it, or my heat gun. Or you can let it air dry, whatever you want to do. That just helps seal your fabric in nicely. Look how pretty that already looks. I mean, even that would be a cute decor, I think, something simple. Now what I'm doing is taking Mod Podge, like a thin layer, over my eye, because I wanted to dull some of that plastic. It's so shiny and cheap looking. I feel like this kind of helps make it look not so cheap. Y'all have to tell me what you think. See how it's a little bit more dull and it's not so shiny? I feel like it gives it more of like a spooky vibe too. That's just my opinion. Now, obviously, you're always going to have a little bit of shine, so sorry about that. That's just my ring light. We're just hot gluing it on there. And then I have some green twine. We're going to go around the outside of the eye and also the inside of the frame. And that's it. And this DIY is done, y'all. Too easy. I mean, you could always do this and add more to it if you want. Like, you could add like fairy lights on it or whatever you want. But I still don't have any, so I definitely need to invest in some fairy lights. See how cool that looks? At least I think so. I really hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you give it a try. Thank you guys so much. Y'all have a good one. Bye.